Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Amazon price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. As you can see, we are looking at a big 1-2 in the yellow scenario, and of course 1-2, 1-2 here, internally 3, 4 and a 5 to finish this wave 3, and then we got our wave 4 for it, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably finish it, of course probably not, we're gonna check of course inside it. We have finished probably then a wave 5 or a wave 3 in the yellow count, and next we are looking here for a wave 4 and 5 later on. So let's take a look, of course, closer at that wave 5 here. As you can see, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And this, of course, your wave 1, therefore, and because we saw continuation toward the upside after a rejection for a wave 2 here, and then continuation impulsively for a wave 3, probably. Maybe your wave 3 is gonna be short here. However, as an ending diagonal somehow for this wave 5, very extended wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably of course as an ending diagonal, unless of course we have an A, B, and a C flat, expanding flat, but of course your wave B is very extended here. It's so far from a wave B, of course. So therefore, higher possibility goes, of course, for an ending diagonal or probably double 1, 2, meaning this can be a big 1, 2 and another 1, 2 and then continuation for a wave 3 massively toward the upside. So one of these scenarios might be playing here. Potentially another 1, 2 somehow like this and then 3, 4, 5, meaning of course much more bullish here and of course looking for higher prices. So we're gonna see of course which one is going to unfold in this case. And of course this is our 1 and then 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is of course gonna be a different scenario, which is in a higher counting here. Here we go. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then here we go. Probably, of course, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And also probably as well that we have just 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 in a smaller count here, of course, as an ending diagonal. So one of these scenarios, of course. Now, as you can see, in all case scenarios, we needed this blue zone. Where are we now? And we need to hit it. So our blue zone is always our target. And here we go. Let's move to the daily chart here. On the daily, we can see, of course, that this move toward the upside here can be, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4 has interfered. So, yeah, it's not impulsive. Yeah, so if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, it hasn't validated this impulse. Therefore, we have to take it as 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 probably. Or it can be double 1, 2 here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, then 4, 5, and then again 4 and a 5. Yeah, so very high possibility then, of course, to move for higher from our blue box here. And that because for 2 scenarios. Well, the first one, it can be an ABC finished wave 4 and moving toward the upside after probably finishing wave 3 here or a wave 1. So higher potential, of course, to move for higher from here since we got already our wave. Now, your bearish scenario is, of course, if you have an impulse, correction impulse, meaning as well you would like to move higher currently and then looking for lower later on. So yeah, these are the potential right now. We're gonna see what's gonna happen, of course. Anyway, we are looking for a little bit of rejection here and probably continuation toward the downside, then moving toward the upside again. But higher possibility, I would say, of course, that continuation maybe for higher prices after this blue zone, and we see a rejection here. So probably 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Continuation for wave 5 is the highest possibility here, of course, for this scenario. That was it for Amazon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.